To Gajamila, instead of doing his activities in service to the deities, he was collecting flowers in the forest. He just thought for a while, let me look how this prostitute is enjoying with that man. And Maya just needs an opening, little opening like that. And then finished. He forgot his service to Krishna. When he was seeing the prostitute embracing the man, where was Krishna at that moment? There was no Krishna at that moment. Was it doing it for service to Krishna? No. Was it that information any useful for service to Krishna? No. Then why he was interested in it? No, I'm just curious. Just see. So why you're not curious? Why I'm born in this world? Why I'm not curious what will happen to me after death? Why I'm not curious that am I the body? Why I'm not curious that does God exist? This kind of curiosity will help you.